I just want to do a quick review on the Uniden R7. I was looking at a couple different a couple different radar detectors, and this one makes the most sense for me. I've seen the Escort 360 and the 360C, and they don't do as good as a job as this does. Yes, this is a bit more annoying as beeps, and it doesn't have the auto recognition of Hondas and all that on their sensors. But it has longer range, and it does look to seem a lot more durable than everything else. Anyways, so let's get started on the unboxing, shall we? So what's really cool about this unit right here is that it also has laser detection, just like the Escort 360 and this 360C. And it also has the K band and KA band and everything else like that. But for $500 or $508, which was on Amazon, it's not a bad price, and you can also get a 3-year warranty for $57.99. So what will you get in the box is the owner's manual right here, explaining how to use it and everything. You'll also get it in Spanish, I believe. And no, this is Spanish. That is Portuguese or something. And then you will actually get the box itself. So let's put this right here, and let's move this out the way. Alrighty. So in the box, you guys, it's difficult to open one hand. So in the box, you get a USB cable. You get your mount. Double-sided sticky tape with a thing on it. You get the big suction cup mount, which was what I was missing from the one I got from Best Buy. When I initially bought it, you get the original Uniden powering thing, which also comes with a USB-A cable. Well, it doesn't come with it, but it has a plug-in for it. And then you have the unit itself. So let's put all this inside, and then let's take apart the unit. Alright guys, so this is the unit itself, and this is just the protection case that it comes with. It's just a little kind of felt material. Has Uniden right in the front of it. And this is the one itself. So you got a menu button, a plus and minus, and a power button. At the front screen, you got the back radar and laser detection screen. That's the bottom for the fans and everything. And you got your micro USB and that one. So yeah, it's pretty compact, guys. If I do compare it to my hand, it is pretty small. It's not really big, and it can easily be if you have a black interior or anything like that. This is the review, guys. I just wanted to show you what's in the box and what the actual unit itself looks like. It's a pretty amazing unit. Pretty soon I'll have a in-depth video of how the unit works, and just to give you a basic idea of what day-to-day life would be with this unit. Hope you guys enjoy the video, and subscribe, like, and comment. That does help out a lot, guys. And you guys have a wonderful day. Have a good one.